First of all, thank you, Anurag, for joining me on Pucho with Prachi. I invited you for a very special reason. Since you have a strong background in life sciences and currently working in the field of immunotherapy, let's talk about some scientific facts. Everyone today is talking so much about COVID 19, and we all have one question: vaccine kab aayega? On that, last week I saw this video on Times Now where Rahul Shivshankar said with so much enthu that Italy has made the first coronavirus vaccine. So please tell us, when can we expect a vaccine in the market? Over to you.
Thank you, Prachi, for having me. First of all, disclaimer from my side. I'm not an expert on coronavirus. Yes, I work in the field of immunotherapy and in the research for quite a long time. And I would start first with the last part of Rahul Shivshankar video. I also saw that video. The thing is, what scientists did was they challenged the mice. They first vaccinated the mice with the candidate vaccine and then challenged the mice with the coronavirus. What they found that the mice were able to recover. So that's the real story. So we have to wait. Okay. Now coming to this thing, vaccine kab aayega? According to the new list of WHO published on 15th May, there are more than 100 vaccines which is in the preclinical trial. That means the test is going in the cell culture or in the mice or in the monkeys. So this Italy vaccine comes in that reason. Then there are 8 other vaccines which is in the clinical trials. Some phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. I will talk about the most talked about vaccine, which is the University of Oxford vaccine. You might have heard about it. So recently they presented their results in the preprint server bioarchive of the monkeys which have been injected with the vaccine or the monkeys which have not been injected, and what is the result. The result is promising because the monkeys injected with the vaccine were able to protect the monkeys from the developing pneumonia, which is a very positive sign. The negative side is the virus was not completely eliminated. It was still found in the upper respiratory tract. So again, we have to wait. It's the preclinical study. We have to wait for the clinical trial. It is already in the phase 2. If it get approved, we will see the vaccine in the market very quickly because it is being developed with the Serum Institute in India. They are making around 30 to 40 million samples of this Oxford vaccine. I would also like to point out about another interesting thing, which is the Moderna vaccine, which came into the news a few days before. This vaccine is an RNA-based vaccine, and they have shared the information with the press that 8 of the human being involved in the studies were able to develop the antibody and all those things. But again, we have to understand this. It is not in the scientific literature yet, a scientific publication yet. And the second thing is they had enrolled 45 healthy human being, but they have shared the result of only 8. So we have to wait. Again, this is the important thing. We forget one basic stuff, and even I'm being asked vaccine kab aayega is like Maggie kitne din mein ban jayega. 2-minute Maggie is not the thing what science do. It takes time. Normally, a vaccine development takes around 10 to 12 years. The last vaccine which came out very fast was Ebola, which came in around 5 years. And if we get to this vaccine development, it will be less than, like we are hoping that the vaccine will be ready in 18 to 20 months. So we have to be hopeful. And if you need, if your viewers want to know a detailed information on vaccine development, I have made a video, a separate video on vaccine development on my channel. You can share the link, and there I have explained the thing in Hindi. And toward the end, I will just want to give another point, which is a sad reality. HIV, malaria, dengue are existing with us for more than 20-30 years, but we still not have a vaccine. So we have to wait. We have to wait. We have to be hopeful that we will get the vaccine. So yeah, thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you for sharing the correct scientific information around coronavirus vaccine on Pucho with Prachi. Guys, I've shared the link of Anurag's video in the description section. So if anybody is interested to watch in depth about the vaccine development, go and please have a look at it. And if you have any other questions, drop it in the comment section below. And do subscribe to my channel for the next episode of Pucho with Prachi. And thank you so much, Anurag, again for joining us here. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye bye.